And there goes the popular saying, home is where the heart is. How do you feel home away from home? How do you bring your heart to this whole new country?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I was born and raised in Nigeria, brought up in a small town in the north central part of it. All my life, I lived with my parents, family, and friends, and never for once did I think I would pack my bags and fly across thousands of miles to one of the coldest countries in the world. I've built a life here in Russia studying and chasing my dreams, but I can't help to say sometimes the nostalgic feeling of home hits, and you get to learn different ways to adapt and keep going.
So in today's video, from the title, I'll be addressing something that all international students or people that are actually far away from their home get to experience once in a while, which is that's what we'll be addressing in this video. And thanks to both who gave this lovely apartment to make this video. Get right into the video. His Ruski is 10/10. Давай, говори по-русски.
Не, я думаю, что это 7 из 10.
7 из 10? Ну, 7 из 10 очень хорошо. Я могу сказать, что... Может, 5 из 10? For me, I think it's 5/10. I mean, compared to the times we both spent here, your Ruski should be better at that. Learning the language is actually important. How long have you been here? 5 years. Gosh. That's long. Have you been home? You have not been home. I've been here for like 2 years, 3 years. And I can miss home. Do you miss home?
Sometimes,
So it's not just the girl thing, right? Missing home is just a general thing. Do you also agree that learning the language is important?
think of it, you go to shore, you need language. Literally anything you want to do, you need language. So you may not be too lucky to get someone that follows you to interpret for you all the time. So you see that the language is actually a big need.
So learning the basics of a language in order to help you communicate properly is important and should be put into your consideration when you are leaving home to a totally different country or place. Learn the language, guys. Okay, the second thing I have on my list is being open-minded to everything. The good, the bad, and the ugly. You know, when people come to a new place or country, you get to like have so many expectations, and when they don't go your way, it gets difficult that you start feeling disappointed and you just want to go home.
Being open-minded helps you to adapt better. It improves your adaptation to a new place. So if you go to a place with a predetermined mindset, it's actually a little bit hard because you're coming here with some set of stuff in your mind that adapting is just going to be quite difficult. With an open mindset, it's very, very, very easy to tackle.
I also agree with that. So basically, coming to a new country or a new place, you have to have that mindset that things might actually be difficult, but you should be ready to face it head on. So yeah, open mindset is number 2. Do you have friends?
Yes, I do.
So yeah, having friends is actually important for you to feel much more relaxed, and adapt easily in a new place, a country, or wherever it may be. Personally, I have friends from Albania, Algeria, even Russians. Apparently my class group is made up of different people from different countries, so it gave me that opportunity to explore and make friends with others, which I think is actually very instrumental for you to adapt and feel more at home. You agree, right?
Yes, very, very well. Friends will help you to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
Like not having friends, like trying to be an island, then life will be difficult.
Yeah, it's really been difficult. So little opportunities of making friends go a long way. It would be just a smile, you know. And yeah, apparently just make friends. It helps. Personally, I feel decorating your space and where you live to give you this feeling of home goes a long way too. I'm very big on aesthetics. I think I've said this so many times, but then having this space where you've made your little heaven is also important. If you have the chance to, put some little decors around your space, put up the pictures of your loved ones and all that, I think it actually goes a long way in making you feel at home and much more peaceful. It's my little take, but I think it works, and you should just try it. Give you that feeling of home away from home. So yeah, keep up with the routines just to help you feel more at home.
Actually, that's true. Like, there are things you are doing at home.
Yeah, you can actually keep up with them.
Yes, you're going to find those kind of things. At least, even if you don't find those kind of things,
exactly,
there are new things that are almost similar. Like they're almost similar to the ones that you had back home. Like you can say, okay, like for example, when I came, I love playing volleyball back home. Now this same volleyball, guess where I found it? On the beach around the riverside. Yeah, so like every summer we'd go down there, play volleyball, come back. So I found something that was almost like
when you were at home.
Yeah.
So that point is also important. Try to, do some of these things you love doing while you're at home. Try to incorporate it into your daily or weekly activities, even in your new location. It really helps to go. It goes a long way. Do you call people at home?
Yes, very well. Calling back home is like it's the only way to stay connected.
The most important tip is calling your loved ones back at home. Like, I can't overemphasize this word. I know how many times I get to talk to my mother and my siblings and all that, and it makes me feel so good. If you miss them, you call them. If you miss them, you message them and tell them how you feel. Like, it's important to keep up with those you love, those you left back at home. It plays a very big role.
Get better after every call. You feel happy, you feel calm, you feel connected, and sometimes it actually motivates you. That's my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, my nephew, my cousin. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. And that's, I think, is the last one. At least here. If you have other points you feel you can add, please make sure you add them in. Write them down in the comment section. With this tip, we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, share these videos to someone is far away from home. It could be an international student, or it could just be someone who really misses their family and needs to adapt. It means you're actually thinking about them. So yeah, subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video so more people can see it as it helps the channel.
Yeah. Remember, subscribe. Thank you.
Also, thank you for allowing me to use your space for this video. Spasiba. Spasiba. Alright guys. So see you in my next video, and bye for now.